Those people that you're around, they don't match your aura, move. You don't have to criticize. You don't have to think that you are better than them. You don't have to talk in a certain manner. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you. When I am around certain people, you do not have to bring up my past. You do not have to talk about my past. You don't have to talk about things that I know, that I don't know, that I didn't know, that I didn't do. Is it fair? Is it right? No. Stay in your lane. Be in your lane. Be within your limits. I am in my limits. That is why I'm living my life the way I'm living it. If it doesn't make you happy, it's not my problem. If it doesn't make you happy, I don't have to deal with your childhood traumas. Guys, heal. If you didn't heal, it's not my problem that you don't want to go to therapy. Right? So, today, all I'm trying to say is that we are tired of being bullied by people in a manner of a joke. We are tired of being bullied by people in a manner that they're trying to pass something that they've been meaning to say to you, but they didn't find a way to say it, or they didn't have certain context on how to put it. So now, just because now they see that you're thriving, they see that now you are in a manner that you are about to bloom, or you're about to blossom, or you're about to be big, and then now they start bringing your past. They start talking to you in a manner that they want to show people that they are not afraid of you. We are not in primary anymore. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you. Be within your limits. Stay within your limits. Know your limits. I am not your friend. I am not that person that I used to be in primary. I am not that person that I used to be, or that kind of person that you used to bully. Be within your limits. I'm gonna teach you a lesson. Guys, stop letting people bully you. Stop letting people feel like they can talk to you the way they want, or they can do whatever they want. Or don't let them dance in your head. Don't let them think that they can get away with anything. You are a grown-up man now. You are a grown-up woman now. Stand up for yourself. Love yourself. Tell yourself you're worth it. You are who you are for a reason. You don't have to feel validated by someone so that you feel like you belong, or you feel like you are someone. No, you are who you are for a reason. And you will prove that you are who you are for a reason when time goes on, or when time goes by. You don't have to do things according to certain standards or certain categories for you to be categorized, that you belong into the riches, you belong to the ones that are educated, or you belong to the ones that have this or that. No. You bullies and you who think you know us, stay in your lane. Be within your limits, or else. Thank you.